students, welcome to the online class of Mary Lucas School and Colleges. Today we are going to study about the chapter Values and Data Types. Before that, I am going to tell you that how will be your theory paper and project paper. Your theory paper will be 100 marks and your project will be of 100 marks. And with the 200 marks, you are going to get the average of 100 marks. Now we are going to get through the chapter. The chapter name is Values and Data Types. In this chapter, we are going to study first Java character set. Before doing any program, we must understand what is Java character set. A Java program contains sequence of characters to represent a statement and to represent a statement and belong to its Unicode character set. A character set is a set of valid characters that a language can recognize. A character represents any letter, digit, or any special characters also. So, Java character set uses only two types of character set, that is Unicode and SK character set. First, we will understand what is Unicode character set. Unicode character set is a 2-byte code set that has characters representing all characters, almost all characters in almost human alphabet. It can be of any language. We can use English, Bengali, Arabian. This can be any language. Now, for the first 28 characters of Unicode character set are identical to the SK character set. Now, how can we refer to a particular Unicode character set? We can refer to a particular Unicode character set by slash by this. For example, by this escape statement. For example, if we are writing this escape statement AE, then it means in Unicode it represents C. And if we are writing 22 with the escape statement slash U0022, then it means a double quote. And in Unicode, if we are writing with the escape sequence slash U00BD, then it means a fraction half. Now we have gone through what is Unicode. Now we will understand what is ASCII code. First, ASCII code stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Java actually uses Unicode, which also include ASCII code and other characters from languages around the world. In Java character set, ASCII code has some values to it. A capital A to Z has a value of 65 to 90. It means A has a value of 65, B has a value of 66, and C has a value of 67. Like that it goes on. Z has a value of 90. And small a to Z ASCII code, small a has a value of 97, small b has a value of 98, small c has a value of 99. And it goes on like this. 122. 122 means small z. In Java, during the program, when we write or when we say, we represent capital letters as uppercase and small letters as lowercase. So we will say that lowercase a to z has a value of 97 to 122 and uppercase a to z value has a value of 65 to 90. In ASCII code, digits also have a value 0 to 9. It means 0 represents 48, 1 represents 49 and 2 represents 50. Like that, 9 represents 57. And space has its own also value. Java gives very much importance to a space also. A space has a value of 32. It means if we minus 97 to 65, we will say that the space comes here or 32. These were our SK value which we will use during the program. Now, before writing the Java program, we must know some important things. Before writing, first we use Java character set. After that, we use Java tokens for writing the program. When we get our tokens, after that, we use Java functions. And like that, at last we write a program. Now, we will understand what is token. Each individual words or punctuation marks are called tokens or lexical units. We can say this also. Each individual unit during the writing the program is known as tokens. In Java, there are 5 types of tokens. First, keywords. Second, identifiers, which is also known as variables. Third, literals, which is also known as constants. Fourth, punctuators. Fifth, operators. Now, what are keywords? Keywords are also known as reserved words. The words something which has its own meaning, which conveys some special meanings, are known as keywords. It means keywords are the words that convey a special meaning to the language compiler. We know that every language has its own statements or commands or words that convey some meaningful messages to perform some task or action. Similarly, Java language has its own words uh, that are used during the program is known as keywords. True, false, and null might seem like keywords, but they are actually reserved words used as literals and cannot be used as identifiers. These are the list of certain keywords which we use in Java. They are primitive types and void, modifiers, declarations, control, row, miscellaneous. Go on through with this, students, very attentively. Identifiers. Identifiers are also known as variables. In programming languages, identifiers are used for identification purpose. In Java, an identifier can be a class name, method name, variable name, or a label. How to write identifier? Each identifier must have at least one character. The first character must be picked from alpha, underscore, or dollar sign. The first character cannot be a digit. Pay attention towards this. While we're writing the variable, the first character will never be a digit or a special character. The rest of the characters beside the first can be from alpha, digit, underscore, or dollar sign. In other words, it can be any valid identifier character. Literals or constant. Literals are often referred to be as constants, are data items that are fixed data values. Java allows 7 kinds of constants. These are integer, floating, boolean, character, string, and null. In this character we show constant with a single quote, and in string we show it with a double quote. In boolean it is value of true or false. In integer we use whole numbers whether it is negative or positive. In floating we use decimal numbers. Now these are separators. This is also a token. It is also known as punctuator also. Now these are your bracket, curly braces, semicolon, comma, full stop, which we use during our program. These are certain operators we use in our program. This is your assignment operator and this is your equal to operator. The both has a difference. Always in the both it comes that what is difference between this and this operator. It's single equal to sign. This means this is an assignment operator and this is your equal to operator. This is your AND operator. This is your not equal to operator. In Java, this sign means in commonly math you know this is a division of this is your percentage sign, but it is a remainder sign in your Java. In division, when we have to write remainder, we use this sign. Now we are going to understand the token with the help of example. The first example is a int a equal to 6. It means int is your keyword or data type which we are going to represent in token. A is your variable. This is your assignment operator. Operator has been used here. 6 is a constant and semicolon is your punctuator or separator. It is also known as line terminator. String, second example, string S. String is your data type or we can say it is a keyword. S is your variable. This is your assignment operator. Vidushi is your constant which has been shown. String constant has is represented by double quotes. See here it is a double quote. Now in this it is been used punctuator or separator. In the last example, char C. Char is your data type or reserved word. C is your variable. This is your assignment operator. V is your constant, character constant, which has been represented by single quote. And semicolon is your punctuator or separator. We can say it also as a line terminator. Students, the slide PDF will be sent to you in your